Should I hire a third-party inspector for my new custom build? This is a question that our clients ask us on a regular basis. In this video, we're going to look at whether or not you should hire an inspector for your new build. I'm sure there are a lot of custom builders who will disagree with me and that don't want to be troubled with the potential extra work that's associated with having their client's third-party inspector giving them a list of items to correct. But we're a little different. We actually welcome it. Let me clarify. We welcome it when it's done within a structure. What I mean is, there needs to be a structure in place to ensure only qualified inspectors are hired for the inspections, and that inspections are conducted so as not to interfere with or cause delays of any kind on the construction of the home. If this is the case, then yes, we think it's a good idea for our clients to use a third-party inspector. You may be wondering why we welcome it and other builders don't. I'm not going to try to go into all the reasons why some of the other builders don't, although I believe one of the main reasons is they don't want to take on any extra work of correcting missed items when building the home. And some even may get offended when outsiders critique their work. I'd rather take the time in this video to explain a couple reasons why we welcome it, and I'm sure a lot of other custom builders welcome them as well. Although we have a great team, and we use a great set of checklists to ensure our high level of quality, things do get missed. And if one of our team misses something and we have the opportunity to fix it while the house is under construction, fantastic. This is a much better scenario than us having to come back later after our buyers moved in, especially in situations where the missed item could potentially cause a larger problem. Some of the inspectors are on top of their game and keep up with the ever-changing governmental regulations, and some of these regulations slip past our team. So when the inspector lists a valid item on the report that's new to us, it helps our team become better builders. Now, those are some of the good things about using third-party inspectors. Let's talk about some of the potential issues when using one. As I just said, the inspectors are there to inspect for code violations. Sometimes the inspectors will call out items that are not code violations, but are related to fit and finish, like maybe a seam in the countertop needs some work or imperfections in the pane. This is not what you're paying them for, but sometimes they like to put these items on their reports. Lastly, sometimes a knucklehead inspector is hired and will put an item on the report that tries to override one of the experts that are hired for the job, like the engineer. We had an inspector one time wanting steel rebar added to the foundation beams. He disagreed with the engineer's specifications and wanted it to be even stronger. Sorry, but this is just plain silly. Engineers go to extensive lengths on their education to get licensed in their states. Unless you're a professional engineer, you shouldn't be trying to play one on the job site. Now let's talk about what you should pay your third-party inspector to inspect. The first one's pretty easy. There is no reason to have the foundations inspected. The engineer has to personally inspect each foundation and signs off on them before approving the concrete to be poured. So don't waste your money on having your inspector review this area. Definitely have them inspect cover-up. So when all the wiring, plumbing, HVAC, and framing are complete, have them do an inspection during this phase. This is probably the most valuable of all the inspections, because once a sheetrock is up, missed items will be covered up. And lastly, have them do a final inspection after the house is completed by the builder. They will open every drawer, check every door, run all the faucets, checking for flow and hot water, run all the appliances, etc. This is a very thorough inspection and should give you peace of mind that everything has been gone over with a fine-tooth comb. Another important piece of information that you don't want to miss: upon hiring the inspector, be sure to give them a copy of the plans along with a copy of the specifications for the house. This will help them ensure that you're getting all the items installed in the house that the builder has promised. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has given you a better understanding of why you should hire a third-party inspector for your new home. If you have any questions about this video or ideas about new videos we can make, leave them in the comment section. Please hit like and subscribe to us if you'd like to get more of our content. Lastly, if you're interested in building a custom luxury home in Houston, Texas, please reach out to us through our website at aspirefinehomes.com. Thank you.